The name's Bond. James Bond. What's up, guys? What's up, girls? Trading Farmer here with a video you ought to love. Today we are talking about the August recap. August. Woo! What a month. Am I right or am I wrong? By the way, guys, this is fake money, so don't get too hung up on that. That's fake money, so don't worry about that. We're not here to talk about money. We're here to talk about trading. And there's more to trading than making money. August was phenomenal. It all started off with that awesome squeeze on the IPO HKD. What the heck? What happened? What, $2,500? Anyway, I'm glad it happened because that gave us the momentum throughout all of August. That one event, mixed with a couple other events, but primarily HKD, setting us off, like lighting a match to gas. So walking away August with $73,000, well, 73.5, could have been a record-breaking month. Could have been a record-breaking month, but I stumbled. I stumbled for 3 days straight red. Didn't have to be red, but and what the heck? Who's calling me? You know what? Don't interrupt the Trading Farmer when he's going live. We're going to talk about what went wrong, and we're going to talk about what went right. Man, that was a tongue twister. Anyway, overall a great month. Walking away with some nice profits. Again today with a nice big win, trading what was it, HOPC or something. Anyway, walking today with $4,700. Can't complain about that. I'm waiting for market to close to jump on my computer because I don't want to squander my profits on the day. So we're going to give it a minute, but we're going to jump over to the big screen here. We're gonna check out August in review. Stay tuned. All right, enough with the theatrics. Let's get down to business. Let's talk about August quickly. I'm not going to keep you guys here for too long. So August turned out to be a fantastic month, and that was primarily to do with a stock called HKD, ticker symbol HKD. It was a stock that ran from, at this point, I don't know where it even was started at, but it ran to $2,500. It's pulled up here. Boom, look at this chart. High here, 30. So it looks like we IPO'd around $20, and look at where it went to. I mean, that's insanity. I mean, if I would have invested any money within a few days had I held, I could have been a millionaire, but shoulda, woulda, coulda. Anyway, so this is the stock that sort of kicked off the month. I did not trade it. It was too much risk, so I watched from the sidelines. But, man, fantastic stock, fantastic move, and it kicked off this round of momentum that carried all the way through August. And, frankly, first day of September here is also off to a great start. We have some nice momentum. Picked up $4,700 today trading HPCO and PXMD, so off to a great start in September. So sadly, I stumbled a bit here towards the end of August, and this could have been a record month. But because I stumbled on the 25th, the 26th, and the 29th, I'm just below my record of 75,000. I'm at 73.5. Had I cleaned up these days and been a little better and taken smaller green days, and even these days too, frankly, is disappointing that these happened too. I mean, this day I had really nice profit. So, this shoulda, woulda, coulda, but I mean, we were this close. In my mind, it was a record month. I messed up a few days, and so it's not going to be a record month, but still great profits. Let's look at the instruments. GRFX did the best on 7200, ARTL, PSTX, and I don't know if you guys can see this. Let me see if I can zoom in here a little bit more. There we go. GFRX, ARTL, I remember that. PSTX, I don't remember that. VEE, I remember that one. That was up for, I think, for a couple of days. HLBZ, a little cheaper one. I liked it. Not a lot of people liked it. Mob, of course, I think that was yesterday. Did well on that. NEPT, yes, I remember that. Don't remember VRDN. VLCN, I remember a little bit. INAB, I kind of remember. ILAG, I kind of remember all of these. Drug, I'm surprised I'm green on drug. I had one good day on drug, and then every every subsequent day I traded, I just lost money. It just destroyed me every time I try to trade it. But surprisingly, I'm green on it. Stock that I did the worst on was APRN. I don't recall what happened. I'm assuming it was a higher risk stock, and I took a pretty quick big loss on it. Also, Nerve, and so many people, and I was guilty of it too. Is so many people were making that joke. Nerve is getting on my nerves. It was true. The stock was so whippy, so choppy, so it wasn't easy to make money on it. And so that's the kind of stock you want to leave alone, even if it's going up higher and higher. If you're not dialed in on that rhythm, it's better to just let that stock go and find a stock that you can easily make money on, like stealing candy from a baby. There's no dishonor in that. Saying, hey, a lot of people are making money on this. It's going up, but I'm just not dialed in on it. There's no shame in walking away from a stock for that reason. In fact, that's the right thing you need to do. So I had to walk away from Nerve. It was nerve-wracking. Average daily gain this month, $3,200. That's above average. Average winning trade, 216. Average losing trade, 143. So not really 2-to-1. I really wish I was more 2-to-1 because my accuracy here is not that great. 49% win rate with 50% losing rate. That's not that good, but it goes to show that you don't need to be right all the time to make money. You don't have to be right all the time to make money. Let's see here. Average per share gain, 1 cent. Wish I could get that up a little better. Let's see what else we have here. Volume traded. This was the day I over traded 2.4 million shares of volume. Ridiculous. And I was red that day too, so it wasn't worth it. Win percent the last 30 days, some 60% days, but we're pretty close here, down to about 50. Let's see, calendar. We were just at the calendar. Drawdown. We had a couple drawdowns, but nothing major. Let's see, where is win loss? No. I'm getting lost here. A couple drawdowns here. This was the 3-day losing streak, but luckily only lost 3,000. Then earlier 2-day losing streak, 2,500. So it comes back to keeping those losers tight and coming back the next day and wiping away these losses and not letting them snowball. So luckily kept my losses tight. That's key, relatively speaking, tight. We got to move up, pull back, move up. So great month. Net about a little over 70. Well, this is not entirely accurate, but about $2,000 of fees. And so that brings me to about 71,000 for August. Let's see, performance by day a week. I've never actually been into this area here, but anyways, that's August. Thanks to HKD, we had some nice momentum. Hopefully we have that carry through September. No guarantees, but first day of September off to a great start, and so I'll take it. And we'll see what we can do. Let's compare the months here just to see where I sit. Year month. So you can see here it was a contender for beating March out, but tripped up those 3 days and a couple other days tripped up. But still good to see. Still good to see that we're having some strong action. And part of me thinks we're going to have to slow down here in September. But anything is possible. Anything is possible. So with that said, guys, I'm going to head out. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like. I have a special video coming out tomorrow. You guys are going to want to stay tuned for that. And I will catch you guys hopefully. Well, I think it's a long weekend, actually. So probably catch you guys on Tuesday. So take it easy, guys.